In a previous video, we explained how to create a student snapshot. In this video, we'll share how you can use that student snapshot in an IEP team meeting to talk about your child's strengths, challenges, preferences, and needs. The reports reviewed in an IEP team meeting have a lot of information, but they tend to focus on your child's deficits. The snapshot can balance that with language and information that is easy to understand, accessible, and highlights your child's strengths. It can also be personalized by you and your student. This helps staff see your child as a unique individual and focus on their strengths instead of just their challenges or difficulties. Use the snapshot to show school staff how your students' strengths and likes connect to their special education programming and goals. For example, your son may like video games, singing, and music. Are there any educational computer games he can play to build his math skills? Or are there classroom reading lessons that use songs to strengthen vocabulary for reading? Use the strengths and motivators in the snapshot to build strength-based IEP goals. What are strength-based goals? They are goals that use a student's abilities or strengths to help work on areas of difficulty. These types of goals highlight what the student can do rather than what they can't do. For example, when Lucy is given a topic she is highly interested in, she will write 3 paragraphs with proper structure and grammar and utilize graphic organizers. Or, during independent playtime, Marcello will take turns with his preferred toy in 5 out of 10 opportunities. You can also use their interests and strengths to guide planning their future, such as what they want to do after high school. Their likes and preferences can determine what kind of jobs they might want to do and what other training or study they'll need after high school. These are called measurable post-secondary goals. For example, if Mariana loves working with her hands, she might want to get a summer job or internship in a technical or engineering field. Could she take a class in high school where she explores technical careers such as mechanics or robotics? She might also want to make sure she takes the classes she needs to get into a post-secondary school or program in her field of interest. This is the Life Course one-page description from Charting the Life Course. It is another resource you can use just like a student snapshot. The instructions page explains how to fill it out. It is a quick way to introduce your child or young adult to a new group of professionals. Both pages are linked in the description area of this video, so you can download them and use. You can use the description chart at meetings with county staff, therapists, medical and mental health providers, or new service providers. Like the snapshot, the description chart provides professionals with information they can use to best support your child. It can also be used for planning or problem solving, such as at IEP or transition to adulthood meetings. If you have more questions about creating a student snapshot or your role or rights as a parent, contact Pacer Center. You can reach us online or call us and ask for a callback from a parent advocate. You are your child's best advocate. You can do this. For more helpful resources, visit our website, pacer.org.